Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to reset a Windows app in your Windows 10 or 11 if it's not working correctly. First of all, you need to open your settings. So go ahead and click on the Windows icon from the left-hand side of the screen. Then select this gear icon to go to your settings page. From here, you need to go ahead and select the apps. You need to go to apps and features, under which you'll see the list of the apps that is installed on your Windows. Now find the app or locate the app that you want to reset. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. Now scroll down and there you'll see the option of Reset, under which you'll see the option of Repair and Reset. Click on Reset. A warning will appear explaining that this will permanently delete the app's data. Confirm by clicking Reset again. And once it's reset, it will launch as if it were newly installed. So you may need to sign in and set your preferences again. Note that use the reset option as a last resort. It clears all the app data, including login details and saved settings as well. So try repairing the app first if that option is available, and then go for reset. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.